So we are scalping on this is gold on the other account, the other challenge. So bit by bit we grew our account from, remember I deposited again, so we are going to just be trading this gold for now. My take PE is gonna be above these liquidity levels here. That's $6. So next candle that forms, we're expecting price to push above those levels, at least for now. We're expecting price to push above those levels, because once we have a breakout candle like this, it usually clears liquidity in its wake. So just wait for to see what the market does. So we're in around $100. Let's first close. So from 82 now we're in $1. So I should go to the M1. Very clean setup here. I shall buy, but this candle here, I would wait for it to close, because surely it's going to be a kind of a fake out candle. But let's wait. We're only aiming for the liquidity up there. That's our aim. So today we're not even trying to hold trades for that long. We're just aiming for this liquidity just above here. See this level here? That's where we're aiming. That's around $5. So our challenge was to take this account from 3 cents to how much? To $300 in the period of like one week or 2 weeks. So we can simply just wait for and see what the market does. Problem, you know the finish. While me know the finish. All right, and some good profit, right? So let's close. So as you can see, price went above our level, and yeah, we made some decent profit. That's how we do it here. That's how we trade. There's nothing new about this. So our challenge, I actually blew the account from, remember it was taking it from 0.5 cents to $300, right? So I first of all blew the center account from 0.05. I blew the second trade. So I deposited again. Once again I deposited, was it $25? Yeah, $25. Then I took it to around 50, and then up to 80. Now we're in right now we're in $200. So let's go to the M5. So there's something pretty cool here. Most traders, when they see this pattern, they think, oh, market is going to sell. Oh, it has reached resistance level. Oh, market is going to sell. Well, why don't you first wait for market to give you confirmation? First of all, we have to see where market is likely to pull back. This level here, you see, where I put my zone there. This level here is a very strong level in the market. So we're expecting a pullback to that level, then we buy. And I'll show you guys how I do this. Probably I'll be trading live in front of most of you guys for the next coming weeks. But as per now, I will just be finishing this challenge. How much dollars left? We have around $21 left to finish the challenge. So most of you traders, you would think, oh, market is selling, market is selling. No, market is buying. Just buy, bro. Buy, like buy. Why do we buy here? We already see that we have cleared some liquidity, but market is yearning for even more liquidity up here, right? So once market is yearning for liquidity, we also just trade with what market is telling us. So we're aiming for that level above there. Take profit is about 21, 12, okay, $10. I think this trade will, in this challenge, we shall complete the challenge in this trade. So let's wait and see what market gives us. But I want you to notice also something very cool. We have a pattern here whereby we have a drop-based drop around this level, right? We had a drop-based drop at around this level. That means market is respecting that level more than anything else, because that's the level where I had a drop-based drop. Market was selling, it came for a base, then it dropped, right? So we buy, bro. Since we are scalping, we are just catching small moves in the market, but that's all right. We can always take them small. A win is a win, right? A win is a win, as they say. There's nothing to fear or make you feel like you should hold on to your trades. You can't marry your trades, bro. You can't marry your trades. We see now that market is facing resistance at that level, right? We can change our bias immediately. We can change our bias immediately. So I shall enter even more buys here. Market is giving me clear signs of a buy, but we shall wait. We shall hold patiently. We shall wait patiently, because as I've told you guys, trading isn't like we're going to be here winning every time. Losses do happen sometimes, and it's a part of trading. Like there's no way you can go around that. There's always gonna be losses along the way and all that. So anyways, let's buy some more. The reason I'm buying here, as I've told you guys, is because there's liquidity up there. Market hasn't yet tapped, and also we had a momentum candle. So in most of the instances, when we have a momentum candle, I would want to see price do one of two things. First of all, I want to see price go up. Secondly, I want to see a clear price action, right? Clear price action. I would have sold on this first candle, but I got kind of lazy, so I shall enter in even more buys. And yeah, let's first see how this trade plays out. Worst case scenario, we lose $100. Best case scenario, we grow this account to 300 in no time, right? So let's wait and see. So expecting some bit of a pullback. As I've told you guys, you can hold this trade for some good time. Should just simply just wait and see what market gives us. By this point, I'll be patient enough to hold on my trades, like that. So in $400, let's close our positions. What? Yeah, anyways, so we reached our goal. Our goal was $342, right? And we reached it. That was our goal. I can simply hold on, and I can simply add in one position to show you that, guys, this shit was going to buy. Yeah, just to prove to you that it was going to buy up to here. That will be egoistic. I know it's going to be egoistic, but it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. I could have held on this trade, but I got kind of greedy. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. I'll be updating you soon. Now, as per now, most of my other trades on I shall be updating you soon.